Before we hit mean, median, and mode and everything, let's go ahead and use the calculator to do descriptive statistics. So for a lot of chapter 2, you're going to use what we're about to do. And once you get good at it, it's really easy. A couple times it'll take you to work on it, but you'll get it. So first thing you're going to do again is hit stat and go to where you enter your data. We're going to still use that data we used before, number of employees in various New York City restaurants, and we're going to enter all that data. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hit stat again, and we're going to scroll over or arrow over to the right to calculate. And then in the TI-84, you have to put what list you want to use. In the other calculator, it's just going to pop up on your screen and say 1 var statistics, and you hit enter because it automatically knows with the TI-83 what to do. So here you put L1. Frequency list, you just leave blank, okay? So, and then you go down, and what it does is it puts results are displayed in the window. So, the first thing that you're going to see is you're going to see sample mean, which is X bar. The next one is sum of X of all the data values. The next one is summation of the data values squared. Then SX is your sample standard deviation. Sigma X is your population standard deviation. N is your sample size, again, which is the number of data values. Min X is your minimum data value. Q1 is your first quartile. 25% of the data is here and below. MED is median. That's your middle value or your 50th percentile. Q3 is quartile 3 and 75th percentile. And max X is your maximum data value. So this is what 1 var statistics gives you. 1 var statistics means one variable statistic. There's a lot of information right here that you easily get from this. What you don't get, unfortunately, hold on. Here's the example of what we did, and it gave us the data. What you don't get is you do not get the mode, and that's just the data value that occurs the most, and you can look at that just by looking at the data. You don't get the sample variance, but to get the sample variance, you're going to square the sample standard deviation, which was SX. You just square it and you get it. Population variance is the same way. You're given the population standard deviation, so all you have to do is square it. The range is the maximum data minus the minimum, so max X minus min X, and the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. And you're given all that, you just have to figure it out.